What should we do if chainsaw won't start?
First, check the air valve to see if it's pushed in. If it's pushed in, push it in and continue pulling. If it still doesn't work,
Check if the wrong fuel has been added.
diesel instead, or the amount of gasoline is too little. The oil pipe can't suck oil.
After ruling out these basic points,
We start to remove the top cover to check the spark plug
use a special wrench to remove the spark plug.
and observe it. You can see it's black and there is a lot of oil. At this time, you turn off the switch. Turn the oil can upside down. Pull hard.
You can see a lot of oil sprayed out.
You just keep pulling.
until there is no oil coming out.
At this time, wipe the spark plug clean around it.
Then put it in and install it. Then turn on the switch.
At this time, step on the accelerator with your foot.
Pull it when the throttle is on and it will start. There will be a lot of smoke after it rings. You need to wait for the smoke to slowly fade, then turn off. Otherwise, it will be difficult to start later.